Adele here, and welcome to day 28 of the 30-day business challenge. Today, we are going over probably the most awaited part of this 30-day challenge is ads. So these next couple of days, I'm just going to strictly go over ads, and then that will complete the 30-day challenge. I will go back and do thorough tutorials or lives in regards to these particular topics, the main topics that everyone wants to know about, but we're going to just get into the nitty gritty. Okay. So today we're going to go over Meta ads or Facebook ads. The ads, the ad spend probably has been the only thing that has changed in Facebook ads, but for the most part, everything else is pretty much the same. So we're going to go into the first half of this, which is going to be the research aspect. You definitely always want to do research on ads that are performing well within your niche, okay, or niche. So first you're going to go to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the ads library. You're going to look up Facebook ads library. Okay. It's going to be this one here. Make sure it says ad library. Make sure that it's actually the secured Meta or Facebook website. And you're going to click it. Okay. All right. So within here, you can search all of the current ads that are running across Meta. So all the platforms. I believe that also goes for Instagram as well. I'm not sure about their newer platform, but for the most part, Facebook and Instagram. Okay. So within here, you can search for the ads. You can even search for different countries. But of course, since I'm in the United States, we're going to look for United States. You can also look into certain categories. So you can look at all the ads that are running. You can look at political issues, elections. You can look at housing ads, employment ads, and credit ads. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and just do all ads for the sake of this video. And we're going to go into several topics and niches. Okay. So I'm going to look into business and consulting. Okay. So most of the business and consulting ones are pretty basic. I would say, okay, I'm gonna try to find somebody who has a decent ad that I can actually review. Okay. I will actually say this though. Most of the ads that you see here, and the good thing I like about Facebook, the ads library, is it shows you the different platforms that these ads are running on. So this one is actually running on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, which means they have, if I'm not mistaken, they have niched it down to a specific audience, and then Messenger. And then this ad is running on images, text, and let's see. Yeah. So you put it on me. We're just going to do this one. This is just a basic one. But so they have an image. It says that they're selling properties the smart way. And they have a call to action, which is book now. Okay. You can click book now. And then, yeah, these are the two versions. So let me see. Yeah. They're pretty much set for one maybe for mobile, one maybe for the actual laptop platform. They also tell you about the advertiser, okay, and how many followers they have. And this is their website. So if you really want to be nosy, you can click on view ads and you can see how many ads this particular company is running. So they are running about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ads since February. Okay. So let me actually go back. Let me do lashes. I do like that these particular ads show you before and after pictures, which is also a big thing when you're doing some type of service business. Okay. Then this particular one has a 25% off coupon. Let's see. This one is a cosmetic brand. Let me see the ad. We're going to go over this one. This one has a video. Videos usually tend to do very well. This one's telling you that they're having a sale and that you can shop now. Okay. This one has a big following and they have 24,000 followers. This ad is only being ran on, let's see. So this one's being ran on Instagram and Facebook. And let me see how many ads they're running. Oops. No. I think they're only running one ad. But obviously, they're doing pretty well if they only have to run it. And they actually just started running this ad on the 27th. So this is a brand new ad. I'm not going to show you the video because I don't think we'll get in trouble because this is for educational purposes only. And as always, I will go back and make sure that I give credit to the person that I'm going over their information. Okay. So trying to see if there's anything else. Like I said, the standard thing is either a picture of the service that is offered or a video. Once again, videos do very well. And actually, let me show you.
See problems all the
This
time.
video is 38 seconds.
Day on my skin.
Short videos. Okay. Let me see if there's one that's
lashes can completely
Be careful. Apparently this happens to like 3 to 4.
Trying to see is there
Hola, en esta
going rate of these videos are 30 seconds. And they're telling you what it does. This one pumps up the volume for 5 times longer lashes. Or for instance, City Lash, game changer for the lashes. It's telling you what to do.
I've always wanted longer, fuller lashes without having to glue on falsies or get.
Lord have mercy. Okay. We're definitely not going to watch that. That's entirely too long. But maybe they know the secret, actually. Okay. Yeah. That's a brand new page. Let me see the ad details. You definitely don't ever want to do a long drawn out video. This one's kind of giving you a long drawn out explanation when they could have just really did a 30-second to 1 minute ad because people have short attention spans. Okay. And because they're brand new, maybe they did their own video, or maybe they hired somebody. And if they hired somebody, they may want to get their money back. Okay. So we just gonna let them rock on that one. Yeah, so you guys see that one. Let me do travel. I'm also gonna look up one service business as well. Okay, same thing. So this person is offering a retreat. That's in a different language. Let me see. Yeah, it can definitely get a little muddy in here in regards to looking at people's ads. So if you know a specific brand that you want to look into, you can look up that person's brand. Okay. So this one, we'll see ad details. It's going over a free virtual cruise. So they're trying to recruit people into signing up for this cruise show. More than likely, it's probably going over packages, maybe to get people into going into an actual celebrity cruise. That's an interesting spin on it. But yeah, it has a call to action. It makes, if you're interested, you can click interested, add you to the list, and then it sends you the information or the link. I probably would have switched this up. Instead of clicking here to register, this right here, the interested, or they could have did this a different way to put somebody on their list. And then from the list would have, the email would have sent them the link to register. Then that would have like confirmed it, double confirmed it. Yeah. And then now you have that person on your email list plus them registering for your webinar. So they kind of did this one a little wrong. And it's too much going on here. You definitely want to get your point across as quickly as possible. Let me see. This is obviously a big travel brand. So they have some good followers, a good amount of followers. Anyways, so the last one I'm going to look up is, let's see, we'll do cleaning. Let's see. These are people advertising for like a cleaning business academy. But if you want to go even further, I don't think they even still have this. They've become such a big brand that, let's see. All right, we found one. So let's go with the old school Molly Maid, okay? This one, they've been running ads since February 1st, and they're still offering a franchise model, but it gets to the point, are you interested in being your own boss with a franchise model based on executive ownership? So they go into details, but not too much. And they tell you that it's award-winning home cleaning service. And it says explore franchising and control your career. And then you can click learn more, which takes you to their website or takes you to sign up for their email list. And you know, Meta gonna tell it all. This ad ran without a required disclaimer. This is paid for by, this is not a political ad, so I'm not even sure why that even came up, but that must have been around election time or right before election time. So they're probably weird about that. So then the other one goes into the fact that they've been setting the standard for cleaning for 30 years. And 1.3 million women were physically assaulted by inmate partner annually in the United States. So this kind of goes into their foundation and it gives awareness. So basically showing you what they do, you know, on top of the fact that you can be your own boss and that they give back pretty much. So this particular one, they're only running that on Facebook and they're doing this in the employment category, which is smart because it's very specific. And then that other ad is ran on Facebook and Instagram, and it has Messenger as well. And it tells you, this is how nosy you can be. It tells you the ad spend. They've spent less than $100 on this ad so far, but this was back in 2020. So this was during the time of the Panini. Okay. But it looks like, I don't even think it's just, yeah, that ad is no longer being ran. Okay. So we're going to go back to the current one. This one, we're just going to see. Is there anything else? Okay. Make sure you whenever you do your pages in regards to your business, make sure you fill it out. Okay. But there's this simple to the point, and it tells you the website and that you can follow them on Twitter and that they have a blog. Okay. So enough about the ad library. Okay. But this is a way that you can look at ads. You can get an idea. You can structure your ad accordingly. Don't steal somebody's complete ad. Get inspiration. Make it to your own brand voice. We've been big on talking about brand voice. Okay. Please, please, please make sure you're using your brand voice. Okay.